Onedon gang tapes, alleged gangsters discuss gun deal. Alleged gangsters in the Klansman gang trial were heard on tape this morning discussing plans to purchase a firearm for $40,000 in Lauriston, St. Catherine. The cell phone conversation was secretly recorded by a self-confessed gangster, now prosecution star witness. The witness later explained the unusual codes the alleged gangsters used to refer to the weapons. One of the secretly recorded conversations heard in court today was between an alleged gangster called Squeeze Eye, who the witness had identified as the defendant Jaziel Blake, and the witness himself.
Him a say a dem him have now. I say a beer young girl him have.
So no young girl who want dog, whisper them there.
Him a come on my foot. Him nah no Hannah.
Make him come a Lauriston, dog.
Him a say a 40 feet.
Alright, do that, make we link him a Lauriston and take them from him.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit your notification button. Now, once again, here we go. Broke badness. Black man and the crew is the king of broke badness. And me don't know how man and man can do business with them youth here. Because all them do, them sit down and them a pre you. You hear them and say, yo, go take them off for him. So me I wonder if the tech with them I talk about, I buy them, I buy it. Or I take them, I go take it. These are some of the worst kind of human beings on the planet. Yo, once again, Black man and the Onedon gang is the king of broke badness, and the Jamaican police is doing a damn good job. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. And if you like this video, click on another one. I'm out.
The conversation happened on January 26, 2019. The witness later told the court the alleged gangsters referred to M16s as young gyal, noting young girl was the symbol assigned to number 16 in the lottery game cash pot. He also says the alleged gangsters referred to handguns as Hannah. He says the alleged gangster was to meet the firearm seller in Lauriston, St. Catherine.